If you want to show multiple product angles in a single ad, here's how to build a clean multi-image grid inside Marpipe. Start by dragging in your main product image. By default, it fills the entire canvas. Let's resize it so it takes up about half the frame. This gives us space to add additional images. Now head to your product feed fields and look for the additional image links. These are the extra product photos that live in your feed. Drag one into the open space. For example, we'll place it in the top right corner here. Then drag another additional image into the remaining area. Now, instead of showing just one product shot, your ad highlights multiple angles at once. And this is especially powerful for apparel, accessories, or products with strong detail shots. If needed, you can apply filters to narrow the design to specific product types. For example, excluding certain categories if the layout doesn't work well for them. And now let's clean up the layout. When multiple images touch each other, the edges can blend together. A simple fix here is to add thin rectangular dividers between sections. Let's add a vertical rectangle here between the images and make it just a few pixels wide. Then let's add a horizontal one if needed. This creates clean visual separation and makes the grid feel intentional. If you want to level it up, you can even add a subtle overlay. For example, we can add a black rectangle. We can reduce the opacity to around 50%. We can place our brand logo on top. Now you've got a structured, branded, multi-image layout, all powered dynamically from your feed. And the best part, you can swap which additional image slot each frame pulls from at any time. No manual asset uploads required. That's how you turn a standard product feed into a more editorial, high-impact grid design in Marpipe.